When we show multiplication, we've always learned that we show it with a multiplication sign. So in this situation, this says r times 3. If I was looking at a number, I would say 4 times 3. There are several ways that you can write multiplication. You could also say 4 times 3. You can also say 4 parentheses 3. This is 3 different ways to show multiplication. One additional way is by writing it like this. We put the number next to the variable. But what if I did that with just numbers? It would look like this. And we would say 43. So if I meant to say 4 times 3, I have to put one of these symbols in between to identify its multiplication. So I'm going to get rid of that because that's confusing. When we are working with variables, and our example is r times 3, we can say r dot 3 and r parentheses 3. It means the same thing. Now, in algebra, it is common to put the number first. You almost will never see the variable first. So normally this will look like 3r or 3 parentheses r. Typically, we use this format, which is what this is showing here. You wouldn't say r3. Though that does mean multiply, it's just a general rule that we put the 3 first. So when you're looking at your equations, try to stick with this format of writing the number next to the variable to show multiplication rather than inputting the sign in between. This could get confusing when you're looking at variables because somebody might take this as rx3 and not realize that it might mean multiplication. So you want to get in the habit of doing this format.